Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. So today I want to do a very quick video for you guys. So I'm going to be starting a new cleaning series, and basically this is just where I take 5 minutes of my day to go through and complete one task. And my task today is over here. So my task is to clean the toaster and the kettle. And you may be like, why are you recording this? Why are you doing this? And I just found that if you do at least 5 minutes to do one of these tasks that we just don't want to do, basically, you know, it will make your overall cleaning routine easier every time that you do it, because you don't need to deep clean these small appliances. So that is what today's video is going to be. It's a bit off the cuff. I didn't really plan it. I was just sitting there going, oh, I have to record a video for today. What am I going to do? And I have been putting off cleaning my toaster and kettle for a long time. So basically that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to deep clean them. I'm going to set a timer for 5 minutes, and we're just going to get on with it, and we're going to do the 5-minute cleaning challenge. So I challenge you guys to do it. Just take 5 minutes of your day and just clean that one item or that one small area that you just have been ignoring, or you only kind of like skim over, you know. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. If you want So that's it, guys. That is today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. As I said, I'm going to be doing this every now and again. It is the 5-minute cleaning challenge. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments if it is something that you want to see in the future. I am always wanting to know your guys' opinion on my content here on the channel. I also do polls on YouTube, so sometimes you may see my name pop up with like some text. Usually they are polls where I need your opinion and stuff. So I had a poll up the other day about whether or not myself and Robert should be completing challenges, like Robert does my makeup challenge or a couples 1 2 3 tag, those sorts of challenges. So I will have the link to where you can find those polls on my YouTube. Make sure you click them below and, you know, cast your vote there, and you can comment on some of the posts as well. I'm always replying to my comments, so do leave a comment if you have any questions or any queries or anything like that, and subscribe if you are new, and I'll talk to you soon, guys. Bye.